In this video, I'm going to show you how to search text fast in Excel. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Developer tab. From there, click on Insert and select the option for a text box. Place the newly created text box above your table. Once positioned, right-click the text box and choose Properties. In the Properties menu, link it to a cell below it. For instance, let's link it to cell A3. Close the Properties menu. Ensure that the box is still selected, then uncheck the Design mode. Highlight the table you want to work with. Then go to the Conditional Formatting option. Add a new rule and use a formula for this rule. We're gonna use the AND function and then the search function within it. The search function, the first argument is going to be the linked cell. So this is the cell, the value of the text box. And then this is going to be the first cell of the column that you want to search in. Then we're going to add a check to make sure that the link value is not blank. So we're going to put the A3, which is the link value. Is that equal to nothing? And then you need to add a format. I'm going to give it a green fill. Press OK, and then press OK again, and then go back and type something into your text box. Type any keyword, for example, late, into the link cell. Observe that all rows containing this keyword in the designated column will be highlighted in green. You can replicate this procedure for other criteria, for example, entering PO number. In the link cell, we'll highlight rows containing this keyword in the specified column.